Okay, guys, now we learn about the next part, simplification of linear expressions with fractional coefficient. This is the harder one, but the rule is the same. We have to make the denominator equal when we deal with fractions. Okay, now I think using this book is more complex and more various question rather than we use the PowerPoint. But we can still use the PowerPoint later on. Okay, now let's try. So let's see the word problems. Okay, you have to group the like terms. It's the same. So if you look at this work example number 5a, it is the same. See what you need to do. You have to make the coefficient same and put the like terms in one group. So 1 over 2x minus 1 over 8x. See, this is the simple way. This is the long way, but simple grouping like terms. And the negative 1 over 9y plus 11 over 3. But what is the problem then? The problem is the fraction is still different in its denominator. Okay, so you have to make the denominator equal. I multiply this by 4, multiply this by 4. You will get 4 over 8, and you multiply this by 3, you multiply this by 3, you will get 33 over 9y. And then done. As simple as that. 3 over 8x, see? And negative 1 plus 33 plus 32 over 9y. That's the way you think of the number. And how about with this? Okay. So what you need to do is try to open the bracket first, minus 5x plus 30y. See, after you open the bracket, collect the like terms. Negative 3x, right? And then plus 30y. And you multiply 1 by 1. Do the rainbow rule. This is quite hard, so I think I need to do it for you. I will do it on the right side of the page. 2 over 3, negative 3x plus 30y. Pay attention. This times this. Okay. Negative 6 over 3y. 3x, sorry. I just do like this easily. I don't want to do this. Too much. Yeah. But up to you. If you prefer do this, no problem. Negative 2 over 3 times negative 3 is negative 6, right? And then put the x. And then 2 over 3 times 30, 60 over 3. And then you can simplify later. Negative 2x plus 20y. See? It's up to you again. You can choose which one you prefer. Okay? It's about the preference. This is the work example. Let's try to do this, the practice now. I'll send this to you in WhatsApp later on. Do I share all screen? Yeah. Okay, let's try. For number 1, it's still simple. It's the same with the previous example. What you need to do is try to collect the like terms. 1 over 2x minus 1 over 3x. See, I pick this. And then plus 1 over 4y minus 2 over 5y. And then what to do? Look at the term. I don't want times 3 too much. I just do the shortcut. Here is my shortcut. Let me show you. We have the x. So 1 over 2 minus 1 over 3x. See? And then I just undo and you think of this. 2 and 3. So over 2 times 3. 1 times 3, 3. Minus 1 times 2, 2. That's the simplest way, right? Do you remember how to do this? Again, I pick this 3 times 1. 1 times 3. You multiply 3. 2 times 1, 2. Minus 2, because this is minus. And then 2 times 3, 6. X, right? And then plus. I do with the other color, so to make it clear. No need to do plus first. 1 times 5, 5, right? 4 times 2, minus 8 over 4 times 5, 20. Put plus y. So 1 over 6x, I use the other color again. 1 over 6x. This is 5 minus 8 is negative 3. So plus minus 3 over 20y. The sign is unchanged. The sign is double. Change it. minus and plus becomes minus. Okay, I think this is more simple to you to understand and to get rid of all of the understanding about the fraction. Biar lebih simple aja. Any question?
No.
If no, let's try to continue here. So which is the most priority? The first thing first is this, right? You don't have to put, you have to think of the inner side, innermost bracket, paling dalam dulu. Yeah, 1/8 minus times minus y, and then -3 times 16 minus 48x, and -3 times -3 times -3y is plus 9y. And then you can collect the like terms. -y plus 9y. See, that's the like terms. So 8y minus 48x, and you do 1/8. What you can do the distributive law here and here. So 1/8 times 8, very simple, 1y itself, or y. 1/8 times -48 is -6x. And then we are done. But you think that, oh, this is not alphabetically, sir. So we have to do it alphabetically. Yes, you may. -6x plus y. Both are acceptable. Okay, both of them are okay. And this also okay. This is the
Mister,
final
I don't
answer.
understand.
Sorry?
I don't understand.
Okay, you can tell me which part you don't understand and the details.
Like I don't understand like most of them at B.
At B, okay. So you have to do the innermost bracket. So you do the multiplication, right? The rainbow multiplication. 3 times 16 is -48x. See, because this is -3. And then -3 times -3 again is positive 9y, right? And then after that, you collect the like terms. Collect like terms. How do you collect the like terms? -y plus 9y. -1 plus 9 is 8y, right? And it is become 8y here. And then minus 48x. And done for the bracket, what you do, then the distributive law. Or the rainbow rule. I just write the rainbow. Rainbow. 1/8 times 8 is 1. And then put y here, 1y. And 1/8 times -48 is for -48 divided by 8 is -6, and put x. This is done. And if you want to put in alphabetical order, this also applied. Okay, how's it?
So 1/8 times 8y.
Yeah, can cross this, right? Becomes 1y. See, because if you don't have any sign here, it is multiplication. And 1/8 times -48x will also cross -6x. That's how you do. How's it, Kimi?
So we must like if we want to put the left side to the right side, it's times.
Yeah, if it has no fraction, if it has no symbol, if you don't have symbol here, you assume that it is multiplication. Yeah, multiply. But it's so different if I put like this. Okay, just let it be, because you can do nothing else about this unless you do the multiplication like this. Okay, Kimi? How's it?
Yeah, I get it.
Okay, nice. So I will put it here in Microsoft Word, and I'll send you later. Give me a moment. Okay. Now let's try to do next. Fractional coefficient. This is the harder one, but let me show you the practice now. Let me tell you how to do this easily. Again, we are doing this easily, not complicated. If it is complicated, yeah, I don't think you will get used to this, but I guarantee that you will get used to this because I will explain it to you easily. I will put this on the right side. Okay, there you go. Yeah, that's it. So again and again, if we deal with the fraction, what we can do now, if we deal with fraction, we have to make the denominator equal. That's first thing first. Here, we have 2 and 3. Again, do like this, right? So x minus 3 times 3. So you put x minus 3 times 3. Or you can just write 3 on the right side, on the left side. That's it. That's how you do it simply. Plus, right? This is plus 2 times 2x minus 5. Right? Over 2 times 3. Do slowly, but you make sure that you do everything right. If you don't do everything right, it will be a mess. Here, rainbow. Another rainbow. Right? So I put the rainbow first, and then put equal. 3 times x is 3x. 3 times negative 3 is negative 9. Plus 2 times 2x plus 4x. Plus 2 times negative 5 minus 10 over 6. Right? And then what next? Collecting the like terms. Which are the like terms? X. 3x minus plus 4x. Just write it down. 3x plus 4x. If you want to do slow, make sure that you understand everything. Minus 9 minus 10 over 6. Okay. What else? Combine. 7x minus 19 over 6. Can we do anything else? No, that's the final answer. Okay. Let's do the other way, the type B, part B. Tapi caranya beda ya. I will give you a different answer, a different way. We do the shortcut here, the multiplication like that. Tapi kalau ini bisa juga, kalau you mau kali. Ya, multiply with 4 and 3. Okay, you multiply by 3, but everything. Okay, multiply by 4, but everything. Ini ribet aja sih lihatnya ya. It is too difficult to see. But if you want to do it, yeah, okay. Rainbow, 3x plus 6. Minus 6, sorry. 3x minus 6. And then subtract with, see, you get the hard question here. If you do the subtraction, remember, any kind of subtraction is supposed to be put bracket. Yeah, 8x minus 28, right? Close to bracket. This is way too much. I will give you the easiest way to memorize, or to not to memorize, to understand. So multiply this. 3x minus 2, right? Subtract 4 bracket 2x plus 7. See, it's way more easily to understood. Over 4 times 3. Okay, next. Rainbow. Another rainbow. Okay, I prefer this way than the previous. Okay, 3x minus 6 minus 8x. See, this is negative 4. So put on the negative 4 minus 8x minus 28. Okay. Oh, sorry, I did something wrong. 2x minus 7. See, 2x minus 7. So plus 28. Okay, so I think this is quite simple. Sorry ya, ini tadi bukan 2x plus minus 7, but 2x, bukan 2x plus 7 tadi, tulisnya plus ya. Saya minus. So 12. So 3x minus 8x is negative 5x. Right? I don't want to collect, udah langsung kelihatan. Negative 6 plus 28 is plus 22 over 12. And then you are done. Okay. Gak bisa cepet-cepet di sini, kita harus pelan-pelan ya. Kalau cepet jadi salah. Ya ini lebih gila lagi guys. Kalau ini nggak bisa pakai cross ya. Why? Because we have 3 fractions. Slowly. I multiply by what number? 3, 2, 4. What is the lowest common multiple? 12 kan? Pick dulu 12. Berarti ini kali 4 times 4 times 6 times 6 times 3 times 3. Right? So, pelan-pelan. Buka bracketnya gede-gede. Fraction. Everything is already 12. So, 4 bracket x minus 1 plus 6 times 1 minus 3 bracket 2x minus 3. Right? Slow but sure. Everything is supposed to be put in bracket. Right? Now, 4x minus 4 plus 6, right? Because times plus 6 itself. And then minus 6x plus 9 over 12. Over 12. Right? And then what you can do next is collect the like terms. 4x. Okay, 4x minus, you mau pelan nggak apa-apa ya? Pelan pakai cara pelan ini. Minus 4 plus 6 plus 9 over 12. And then put below 4x minus 6x is negative 2x. Minus 4 plus 6 is 2. 2 plus 9 is 11 over 12. Negative 2x plus 11 over 12. Done. Next thing, last one. Oh, we don't have the fraction here. Okay, so I can just simply put like this. Boleh nggak? Boleh banget ya. Plus x minus 4 over 9 minus 2x minus 5 over 3. Again, what is the lowest common multiple? 9. Ya udah, ini times 9. No need, times 1. Okay, so times 3. And don't forget to put the bracket. Okay, so put the long line 9 because it has the denominator, the same denominator, and 9 times 2x is 18x plus x minus 4. This will be minus 6x minus 3 times minus 5. Or if you want to do it slowly, like this. Okay. So 18x, or you can just collect this 19x, see, minus 4, and then plus minus 6x plus 15 over 9. Okay, what next? You can put on the right side, or you can put in bottom. Well, I think you have to do it vertically. That's better for the understanding. Simplicity. 13x 11 over 9. You cannot do more about this. Okay, almost done. Done for this fractional practice now. Fractional denominator. Next, factorization. So what is factorization? This is the harder one. It's the process. Okay, you can read it. The process of expressing an algebraic expression as the product of two or more algebraic. It's the reverse of expansion. Okay, let's try to do this. If you want to factorize, you have to find the same term. This is the work example. I will start from the work example. Okay. Factorize this. Okay. So I try to tell you how to do. So you have to look at the number. Both of the number 6x and 12. What can be divided with? You can divide with 6, right? So you can divide by 2, yes. So if I divide by 2, it will become 3x minus 6, right? But you can divide further by 6, right? So I will give you the easy understanding. Ini bisa dibagi berapa? The greatest common factor. 6, right?
Yeah.
So you put 6 out of the numbers and then put the bracket here. And you divide every number by 6. Mentally, di otak aja. 6x divided by 6, x. 12 divided by 6, tuh. Udah gitu doang jawabannya. Tapi kalau you mulai dari 3 boleh nggak? Boleh. Ini lihat ya, ini agak fleksibel nih guys. If I divide by 3, can I? Yes. or 2 boleh ya, 2 close ya, 2 open bracket. 6x divided by 2, 3x. Negative 12 divided by 2, negative 6. Kita masih bisa lagi. Ini divide by berapa? 3, right? So 2-nya jangan lupa ya. And then 3 bracket. 3x divided by 3, x. Negative 6 divided by 3, 2 times 3 berapa? 6, tapi lebih panjang. Ya, sama aja. Okay.
I prefer that one sih.
It can be some steps. Bisa juga ya. Nah, ini juga sama, guys. Ini bisa divide by apa? Ini 4A jawabannya, tapi kita coba tutup ya. I try to delete this. Wait. Dipindahin dulu ya. Jadi biar nggak ke distract. Udah ada jawabannya tuh. Jangan mikir gitu ya, guys. Jawabannya nanti gitu. Nih. Pindahin dulu jauh-jauh. You bisa buang apa, guys? What number can you divide by? 4 and 24. 4 kan? Right? Jadi kalau bagi 4 berapa? AY. Right? Minus divide by 4, 6AZ. But there is one more variables that you can get rid of. The A. Ini bisa divide by A di sini. Ya. So 4, A-nya yuk keluarin lagi. Sisanya AY over Y, AY over A, Y. Negative 6AZ over A minus 6Z. That's it. Ya. So if you want to divide 4A bisa juga langsung. 4A yuk keluarin. Divide by 4A, Y itself, minus 6Z. You get rid of the A. See, it's quite simple. And please turn on the video again later on, because this is very important. Okay, this is the work example still. Belum praktisnya. Kita coba praktisnya ya. Kayaknya ini terakhir deh. Kayaknya ya. I can open the PowerPoint. Oke, ini. There you go. What number you can divide by? Negative 10 and 25. Berapa? Ayo, siapa yang bisa jawab? Siapa aja serah. Halo, siapa aja boleh jawab? Bagi berapa? Guys?
5.
5 bisa. Oke. Di 5 yuk keluarin. Berarti berapa, guys? Berapa Karin? Negative 10x by 5 berapa?
Negative 2x.
Nice. 25 divided by 5?
5.
Udah, selesai. Can we do further? No. Okay, now. B. Siapa lagi selain Karin? Siapa aja deh boleh jawab. Leon, bisa nggak Leon?
Enggak.
Nggak, oke, pelan-pelan ya. Numbernya dulu, 18, 54, and 36. You bisa bagi berapa nih? 18 bisa cabut loh. Ya. Jadi ya berapa? Divide by 18 ya. Jadi everything divide by 18, 1A. Divide by 18, 3AY, right? Divide by 18 plus 2AZ. And then masih bisa lagi. A-nya bisa keluarin sih. You have the same A on and on. Something, semua A. So 18, A. A divided by A jangan 0 ya. A divided by A is 1. Minus 3A, Y divided by A is 3Y. Because the A is get rid. Udah keluar. 2AZ divided by A is 2Z. And then we are done. Kalau you mau langsung 18A ya boleh-boleh aja. Okay, no big deal. Any question so far? Factorization means you divide. Okay, you divide the number. We have so many examples here. And we do the exercise 4C. What part? Wait, since I cannot open the file, I have to try to work it out.